Hi everyone, this is my contribution to Ucof's -4 in an inverse universe competition. No idea what that means. Should imagine beer probably had something to do with that name. Now the keys are all taped up still, and given how easy this lock is to open, you can imagine that is flat as a pancake. Okay, so the idea of this competition is to come up with novel ideas of opening this particular lock, rather than using picks and tension tools in the normal way. I've tried various ideas, really only a couple of them have been successful, so I'll go have a go at those now. First one is our friend the paper clip. You don't really need to mould this too much. You just need something that is reasonably rigid and still fits in the lock. So tension wrenches are discouraged, so I'm going to just use my fingers at the back and give it a few goes with the paper clip. I say it works reliably. Let's see, not in the... Alright, screw that. Another one idea is to use, although tension wrenches are discouraged, I'm not going to use it in the normal way. I'm going to use it as a rake. There you go, that opens pretty reliably with that, pretty quickly rather. Just lock this up again. Give the paper clip another go here. There we go. Easier when you're holding it near the business end. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I won't go over my other ideas just in case anyone else wants to give those a try. I don't want to discourage anyone. Cheers guys.